everyone, Sakafata here from Lesika Rights, teaching you how to speak Setswana. Today's video is things around town. That's the topic for today's video. Things around town. Please watch our previous video about the wheels on the bus going round and round, because this video is best directly after you've been on a bus and you're venturing into town. So what are the kind of places that you might find in town? Well, you might get on a bus. Palama basi. Palama basi is to get on a bus, ride a bus, and you might end up at a school. And what would you call a school in Setswana? It is sikole. Sikole or sikolo. Sikolo or sikole is the name of a school. It means school. So you might end up at a school when you get off this bus. You might also end up at a sports field. Sports field. So how you would say that in Setswana, sports field is mabala a metshameko. Mabala a metshameko means sports field. You might end up at a church. Kereke. Kereke is church. You might go for a wander and end up at a library. Library. Motlobo wadibuka. It's like a collection of book place. Motlobo wadibuka. You might go to the shops. You might go shopping. So shops. Mabinkele. Mabinkele. You might go to the post office. Post office. Also. Also. You might go to the museum. That one is very English. Museum. Museamo. Museamo. That is the museum. The museum. Museamo. And then after you've gone round and round around town, you might end up back at the bus station. Bus station. Maemelo a dibasi. It means that's where you wait for the bus. Maemelo a dibasi. That's where you wait for the bus. Do you have any other places you might go to? You might go to work. Go tirong. Di cantoro. Many ways to say you might go to work with a bus. Any other place? Write some below if you'd like some help to translate them. But hope this has been very helpful. Till next time.